We're going to take this CineStill 800T 35mm film cassette out of this box, load it in a couple cameras, and then I'm going to show you sample photos taken with this film stock so you know what to expect. To open up this box, we're going to open up the end, either end, and pull the flap off. If we pull the flap off so that if your camera has a film memo holder on it, you can put this in the memo holder and remember what kind of film you're using as you take photos. Next, we're going to open up the box, take the cassette out of the tub here, and here's our roll of 35mm 800T. For cameras that have an automatic film advance, all you have to do is open up the back of the camera like this, drop the film cassette into the cassette chamber area, and then pull out a leader and pull it across the back of the camera, lining it up with the end of the leader up with that orange index. Close the camera, and now the film will advance as you take photos. Some cameras like this have some silver pins right in here, and those read the DX code on the film so that the camera knows how fast the film is. This camera does not have those, so if your camera does not have those, remember to set the film speed. This is an 800 ISO film. ISO and ASA are the same thing. If your camera has a manual advance lever like this one does, to load the film, we're first going to open up the back of the camera. And next we're going to put the film into the cassette chamber here and pull out a leader and feed it into the take-up spool over here. Next we put our finger over the sprocket and advance once. Now we can close the back of the camera, advance to frame number 1, and set your film speed to 800. Now, here are some photos taken with CineStill 800T so you know what to expect from this film stock.